Hello everyone, here we will solve the GATE 2025 question paper from Zoology section. Now see the questions. This is the question number 85 from the GATE Life Science question paper, which says which one of the following is a brood parasite. Now let's see what is brood parasite. A brood parasite is lays its egg in the nest of another bird and leaves their and leaves their cheek to incubate and raise by the host. So simply brood parasite is lays its eggs on the nest of another birds and leaves the host to incubate and raise their youngs or chicks. So if we see pigeon, the options given here is a pigeon, sparrow, goose, and cuckoo, of which a cuckoo is the classic examples of brood parasite because it lays egg on the nest of sparrow and leaves the host to incubate or raise their chick. And if we see the others option, pigeon, sparrow, and goose, they all they make their own nest and they all and raises their own chick. So the brood parasite, classic example of brood parasite, it is the cuckoo, and so option D is correct for this question. Now let's see the next question. During the development of a mammalian embryo, yolk sac is formed by which one of the following? Now, if we see the options one by one, syncytiotropoblast. Syncytiotropoblast is actually forms the part of placenta. So it is not correct. Primitive endoderm, if we see the primitive endoderm, the hypoblast cells migrate to line the blastocele, which is in form the extraembryonic form, extraembryonic endoderm, which give rise to yolk sac. So in case of mammalians, the yolk sac is derived from the primitive endoderm or hypoplast. So this is the absolutely correct option. If we see the others, the given options here, amniotic endoderm, it forms amnion. So it is also wrong. Embryonic epiblast, if we see it forms the embryo proper. It forms embryo proper. That means it gives rise to ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. So this is also wrong. So correct options for this answer, it is Options B, that is primitive endoderm hypoblast cells. So option B, it is correct. So thanks for watching.